Hello students. Last day we learned how to convert non-terminating decimals into rational numbers. Today let us learn some problems from the textbook exercise. First question you can see, find x plus y divided by x minus y if x is equal to 5 by 2 and y is equal to minus 3 by 4. Let us find the solution. X plus y divided by x minus y is equal to, what do we want to do here? We will give the values of x and y as per the question. You know x is nothing but 5 by 2 plus y is minus 3 by 4 divided by x is 5 by 2 minus y is minus 3 by 4. Don't think that this minus is already given. I will not. This minus is the operation symbol and this is the symbol of that rational number. So it can be written as, you know that LCM should be found out. LCM of 2 and 4, I am writing 4 directly. You know this 2 should be multiplied by 2 to get 4. So 5 also should be multiplied by 2 to get 10 plus minus 3 divided by here 4. Same way 2 2s are 4, 5 2s are 10 because denominators should be same. It should be multiplied by 2. So 5 is also multiplied by 2 to get 2 so that we get 10. So minus times minus plus 3. It is equal to, you know, 10 minus 3 is 7 by 4 divided by 10 plus 3 is nothing but 13 by 4. You know, in case of rational number or fraction, we do not have division directly. Instead of division, what will you do? We will multiply by the reciprocal of 13 by 4 here. That means first term as it is we will write 7 by 4. Instead of division we will multiply by, instead of 13 by 14 what you have to take? Its multiplicative inverse or reciprocal. What is multiplicative inverse of 13 by 4? 4 by 13. The denominator becomes numerator and numerator becomes denominator. If you observe this carefully, you can cut this. 4 can be cancelled. So what is the final answer? 7 by 13 is the final answer. You can note it down. Let us solve second question. Divide the sum of minus 13 by 5 and 12 by 7 by the product of minus 13 by 7 and minus 1 by 2. So let us find the solution. As per the question, what do you do? We will divide the sum of these two rational numbers. How will you write? Minus 13 by 5 plus 12 by 7 should be divided by product of minus 13 by 7. Minus 13 by 7. Product, to find product we have to multiply. Minus 1 by 2. It is equal to, you know, whenever you want to add or subtract the rational numbers, we have to check the denominators. For multiplication and division, it is not required. Whenever you observe, you see 5 and 7 are the denominators. We have to find the LCM. What is the LCM of 5 and 7? 35. So let us write that LCM directly here as the denominator. Instead of 5 or 7, we have written their product. Why did we find the product here? Because LCM of 5 and 7 will be the product of 5 and 7 because both 5 and 7 are prime numbers. They do not have any common factors other than 1. So we write the product as the LCM. 5 should be multiplied by 7 to get to 35. So minus 13 also should be multiplied by 7. Whenever you multiply minus 13 by 7, you get minus 91. Let us check this side. 7 should be multiplied by 5 so that the product will be 35. So 12 also should be multiplied by 5. When you multiply 12 by 5, you get 60. watch the video again and again to understand. Okay, divided by, see, now minus times minus plus, 13 into 1 13 divided by 7 times 2 14. That means ultimately 13 by 14. In case of multiplication, we have already discussed, we would not find the LCM. We have to multiply the numerators and we have to multiply the denominators directly. Now it is equal to minus 91 plus 60. See, one number is a negative integer, one is a positive integer. What do you do in that case? Instead of adding, we will subtract. That means 91 minus 60, 31. And tell me what is the symbol? Symbol will be of the large number, which is 91. So minus 31 divided by 35. So whenever you come across this situation, what you want to do is, I'll tell you now, roughly you understand, check which, when this is negative number, this is positive number, check which is the large number. You know, large number is 91, it's a symbol you give. Open the bracket. Take the large number minus smaller number. Larger number minus smaller number. This minus 91 minus 60, 31. See, like that we will get. So you can practice that. Several problems are to be written and practiced. You already learned very well in 7th class. Divided by 13 by 14. It is equal to minus 31 by 35. In the previous example, you have already learned we will not divide. What will you do? We will multiply by reciprocal of 13 by 14. Reciprocal of 13 by 14 is 14 by 13. This new denominator is numerator here, numerator is denominator. You look at the terms now, whether we can cancel any term or not. Whenever you look at these two numbers, both are multiples of 7. So we cancel both the numbers by 7. 7 2s are 14, 7 5s are 35. Okay, so it is equal to, we can write it, minus 31 into 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 62, divided by 13 5s are 65. So this is the final answer, you can note down. So another question. Two pieces of length 2 3 by 5 meters and 3 3 by 10 meters are cut off from a rope 11 meters long. What is the length of the remaining rope? So one long rope is given of 11 meters. From that, two pieces of 2 3 by 5 meters and 3 3 by 10 meters are cut off separately. Then what is the length of the remaining rope? Let us find out. The length of the remaining rope is equal to, how will you find out? Total length minus the sum of the lengths cut off. So let us put it in flower bracket. Okay, 11 minus 2 3 by 5 plus 3 3 by 10. So it is equal to, let us find out, 11 minus, 2 3 by 5. How much it is? 10 plus 3, 13 by 5. 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 3, 13 by 5. Plus 10 3s are 30, 30 plus 3, 33 by 10. It is equal to 11 minus, LCM of 5 and 10? 50. So we can write 50 as the, yes or no? 5 into 10, no, just previous case we have done like that. No. Why? 10 is a direct multiple of 5. So we can write 10 as the LCM. Okay. As previous case 5 and 7 we have multiplied, because in that case we multiplied as both the numbers were prime. Here both are composite numbers, we can find LCM. And moreover 10 is direct multiple of 5, means when you multiply 5 by 2 you will get 10. So 13 by 2 26 plus 33. it is equal to 11 minus 26 plus 33, 59 by 10 equals 10 multiplied by 11, 110 minus 59 whole divided by 10. It is equal to 110 minus 59, 51 by 10. 51 by 10, how will you write in mixed fraction? 5 1 by 10. 5 1 by 10. 10 5s are 50. 50 plus 1, 51 meters. So this is the length of the remaining part. You can note down the answer. Now this is the time for giving your homework. You are given two homeworks. Find x plus y divided by x minus y if x is equal to 1 by 4 and y is equal to 3 by 2. Second question, if 2 by 5 of a number exceeds 1 by 7 of the same number, exceeds means same number by 36, find the number. So these two problems answers you find out, post in my WhatsApp number. Thank you.